The Culture for Development Lab is a lab that aims at bridging the gap between the artists and cultural practitioners and the development field in order to increase the quantity and the quality of cultural actions that have developmental purposes. The lab runs 24 days over 8 months and weaves 3 processes: learning, knowledge creation, and field action. So Egypt has a vibrant artistic and cultural scene. However, the mass culture is mostly unconcerned with the development issues. And the parallel independent cultural scene, they face a lot of different challenges, including, but not limited to, the sustainability of their actions, the sustainability, the financial sustainability, as well as the limited outreach, mostly in Cairo and Alexandria. So our project idea is to see the multiplication of some creative and impactful initiatives through actually supporting the local collaborations and the co-creation of multidisciplinary community-based projects with an increased outreach to remote areas and different communities. So by providing a high-quality program to develop the capacity of at least 15 artists and cultural practitioners, we aim to achieve the following. Multiplying the number of initiatives that put the artistic and cultural tools at the service of sustainable development, and also increase the quality of such cultural interventions. We also hope to increase the innovation of the cultural actions in Egypt through the exposure to different models from around the world, and also by the use of the collaborative and the co-creation tools. We also hope to increase the community engagement in the cultural actions and inspire cultural practitioners outside of the initial 15 cohort to engage with the sustainable development as part of their cultural practice. Some of the challenges we are facing right now in the planning and the design phase is the variance in the interpretation of different concepts. So questions like what makes a cultural practitioner, or what is considered art, or who is an artist. So several of the lab applicants were not sure on how to identify themselves and their practice. And this is something we're hoping to focus on by actually identifying individual needs, individual interests, and addressing the individual expertise of each participant in the lab. The other challenge that we're facing right now and working on is how to design a learning experience situated in the participants' experience and existing practice, also allowing for the exchanges of shared experiences and collaborations. So our project is mainly based on collaborations. Since the initiation phase, initial focus groups have been created, and this was done to ensure that our design is inclusive of inputs from different actors in Egypt, including cultural institutions, artistic institutions, independent artists and cultural players, some community members, as well as community organizations. Throughout the implementation, the project will mainly focus on the co-creation of collaborative community-based projects, and we will have advisors from different partner institutions on board to accompany and support the cohort, each in their own field of expertise and capacities.